Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall World of Warships on PC. If you have the game opened, make sure to close it. And once your game is closed, what you have to do first is uninstall the game. If you're using Steam, open Steam, go to Library, find World of Warships, right click, and then hover on the Manage. And once you're here, click on Uninstall, and wait for the game to finish uninstalling. If you're using Wargaming Game Center, open Wargaming Game Center, select World of Warships, click Game Settings, and choose Uninstall. Once uninstalled, restart your PC because this helps clear temporary files. Now reinstall the game. For Steam, go back to your library, look for World of Warships, and here where the play button usually is, it will be renamed as Reinstall. So if I show you a game I haven't installed yet but is in my library, you can see that you can click on Install. Click on that, and your game will start reinstalling. Wait for the download to finish, and then launch the game. For Wargaming Game Center, open the launcher, find World of Warships, and click on Install. This is optional but not recommended. Update your graphics drivers, verify game files after installing, and avoid installing heavy mods at first. And that's it. You've successfully reinstalled World of Warships and should be ready to play again.